Namaskar, welcome to Simplify Your Space. In today's fast-paced life, balancing work and household chores can be tough. While hiring help is convenient, it is not always feasible for everyone. Also, many prefer managing their own chores for peace of mind and timely completion. That's where modern appliances like robo vacuums come in handy. Today we are reviewing the MecTURIng Laseron S9 Turbo Robo Vacuum, a smart solution to automate your cleaning and keep your home dust-free. This video is made in collaboration with MecTURIng. Let's get started. This is the MecTURIng Laseron S9 Turbo Robo Floor Cleaner equipped with advanced LiDAR 2 technology. It offers efficient, hand-free cleaning by both sweeping and mopping your floors. Here is a look at the contents of the box. The manual and instruction guide are provided for easy setup and use. This is the main unit, docking station with an adapter, remote control, mop board with an attached mop cloth, side brushes and a cleaning brush. Additional accessories come in a separate box, including one HEPA filter, 2 sets of side brushes, 2 mop cloths and 3 bottles of mopping solution, allowing you to easily swap them out as needed. Extra accessories are also readily available for purchase on the MecTURIng website. First, let's assemble all the accessories and see how it works. Be sure to remove the protective coverings from the sides before using the vacuum for the first time. This is the power button and next to it is the home button. On the top you will find the laser radar which scans the space for efficient navigation. The device features a combined dust and water tank with a 240 ml capacity for dust collection. For mopping, simply fill the water tank from here. Inside the bin is a primary HEPA filter and sponge for optimal filtration. Now let's turn the robo cleaner upside down. Always use the provided board with the round cutout to keep the laser radar safe when turning it upside down. On the underside, you will see the 360-degree caster wheel, shock absorbing wheels, charging sensors and the IR and anti-collision sensors. There are 2 slots where the side brushes need to be attached. Here is the roller brush that collects debris while vacuuming and moves it into the dustbin. This is the mop board with an attached mop cloth. Attach the mop board under the dust tank like this when mopping is needed. Start by placing the charging dock and plugging in it. Then place the vacuum cleaner onto the dock. The robo rests here to charge, and once fully charged it can run for up to 300 minutes, covering up to 4,000 square feet on a single charge. Now let's walk through how to use it. First, download the Smart Life app and open it. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, then click Add Device. You will see MecTURIng listed, select it, enter your Wi-Fi details and the robo will be added to the app. Once connected, press the Smart Cleaning button in the app and the robo will begin cleaning while mapping your home's floor. Ensure its full clean is uninterrupted so it can map the entire house accurately. After the mapping is complete, you can divide your home into different rooms and name them. You can also merge or split areas as needed. To prevent the robo from cleaning specific areas, simply set up a no zone in the app and it will avoid those spaces. This smart compact robo vacuum boasts a powerful 7000 PA suction and a 6200 mAh battery, providing efficient cleaning throughout your home. Its strong suction effectively picks up dust, dry food particles and hair strands. With its slim design, it easily slides under table for convenient cleaning and can tackle carpets, transitioning smoothly from hard floors to carpets. Equipped with anti-fall protection, the robo won't tumble down stairs. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock and resumes cleaning once recharged. For added convenience, you can purchase the optional auto dust collector compatible with the I series and Laseron S9 Pro Plus for easy and automatic dust disposal. You can also direct the robo to clean specific rooms using the app, and it responds to commands effortlessly. For spot cleaning, simply send the robo to a designated area through the app. Once the cleaning is complete, the robo automatically returns to its docking station to recharge. The app allows you to customize various settings for the convenience. It can also schedule cleaning in advance. For example, I scheduled a cleaning for 4 p.m. and right on time the robo started its cleaning routine. For mopping, simply fill the water tank with water and the cleaning solution provided with Robo Cleaner. Avoid using any other cleaning solution as it may damage the device. Attach the mopping board with the mop cloth and select the mopping mode on the app. The app also allows you to pick your preferred mopping pattern, either S or Y, and adjust the water level to low, medium or high. As you can see, it mops effectively and cleans all types of floors effortlessly. You can choose between mopping only or a combination of sweeping and mopping. If the mop cloth becomes dirty during cleaning, replace it with a clean one and resume. After mopping, remove the mop board and wash the mop cloth and empty the dry dust from the bin, which is easy to clean. If you prefer not to use the app, you can simply press the power button on the vacuum cleaner to start automatic cleaning or use the remote control. Alexa, start the Robo Vacuum Cleaner. This Robo Cleaner is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, offering added convenience and flexibility. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward. Always empty the dust and water storage bin before storing the robo. Occasionally, after a few uses, open the filter and clean it using the brush that comes with the Robo Cleaner. Remove the roller brush and side brushes and use the brush to clean them as well. The cleaning brush is effective for removing any hair strands stuck to the roller and side brushes. After cleaning, reattach all the accessories and wipe down the Robo Cleaner to keep it in good condition. The MecTURING Laseron S9 Turbo Robo Vacuum does an excellent job on its own, freeing up your time. This appliance is perfect for working professionals, new parents, pet owners and seniors. It automates your home cleaning and is a worthwhile investment. I have personally been using Robo Cleaners for the past 3 years and I'm very happy and satisfied with their performance. The MecTURING Laseron S9 Turbo Robo Vacuum comes with a 10-year suction motor warranty and a 12-month product warranty, ensuring quality and durability. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. You can find the purchase link for the MecTURING Laseron S9 Turbo Robo Vacuum along with its details in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, happy cleaning from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.